Today I bring you an absolutely stunning home in Ponce Inlet, Florida, listed at $14 million at 12,126 square feet. It is waterfront. It is absolutely stunning. Enjoy. I love this tree-lined driveway. That is not something you see here in Florida very often. One of the things that I'm wondering about this house, I'm not really sure if you would call this an Italianate home. Would you consider this Greek revival? It does have some French flair to it, so it definitely has a European influence. I would love to know in the comments what you think the style of this home is. All of the custom things in this home are absolutely stunning. And the furniture you'll see, like I said, it's all included and it was custom made just for this house, which is incredible. And this house has 6 bedrooms, 8.5 baths, and it sits on 3 acres. This room to me is screaming that it needs greenery. I think a lot of big trees would be absolutely stunning in this room. It's refreshing in this movie room to see that it has a large screen. I don't know if you've ever noticed, but in a lot of homes they have small screens. I don't understand why. very own elevator. Can you imagine sitting outside with your very own cup of coffee, watching dolphins swimming in your very own backyard? That would be pretty incredible. And I want to thank one of our viewers for sending us this incredible property today. If you have a property that you would like me to feature on this channel, please just send me an email. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.